We Care Festival is a traveling film festival. It's a documentary film festival on the issues of disability. Disability as an issue has not been, like much talked about, and there is a lot of myths around disability. And I think this particular festival is actually helping in terms of understanding disability in a much more easier way, and also focusing on the ability of these people, and also focusing the achievement of people with disability, whatever problems they have, but with that problems they have also lived their life, they have taken their life much easily, and they have achieved something. So this festival actually focuses the potentiality of people with disability, and also helps in terms of celebrating the diversity of people with disability. Organization AINA has been promoting the issues of inclusion, and we would like to see people with disability at every and each level. And the We Care Festival has helped to many extent in terms of achieving this particular objective of AINA. AINA, we believe that inclusion is the answer if we think about the comprehensive development of a society. A society can never develop living behind a particular section of the society, and people with disability have actually they are mostly the contributing factor in the society, and their contribution is always invisible, and people always think that people with disability probably cannot contribute, and that is the problem, and that particularly actually hinders the development of people with disability. It has actually helped us in terms of taking the discourse ahead beyond the region of disability, beyond the audience of disability, and it has gone to many people, and that is what actually we want from AINA. So disability is misunderstood, or many of the myths is there around disability. It is because it has never been talked about. We are here there in the third year of doing this festival here in Bhubaneswar, and this year we are privileged to start the festival on World Cerebral Palsy Day, that is on 2nd of October, and every first Wednesday of October is actually observed as World Cerebral Palsy Day. And this year we are going to start our festival on 2nd October on the occasion of World Cerebral Palsy Day. There are national and international award-winning movies that is going to be screened. And on 3rd of October we will be screening a lot of films that has come from the Odisha filmmakers, and those films we have actually received for the film competition that we conduct among all those filmmakers. And this year significance is actually the movies that we have received from the children. We had actually opened this for the children who are below 18, and we have received 3 movies in this particular section, and we are looking forward to it. And this is again another step which we had taken strategically, so that children talk about disability, because inclusion starts from the very beginning, from the school itself. So children who are there in the school, they take care of other children, and they see the other children with disability, and then they think about inclusion, and they have actually come up with better inclusion model, and a lot of creativity is there within the children, and to propagate that, and also to make the children comfortable to talk about the issues of disability.
एमानंक जीवन रे परिवर्तन पाई गोटे मिनिट चिंता करंतु ना।